construction of analytic function by Milne-Thomson method. Milne-Thomson method. I will explain the procedure while solving the problem itself. Construction of analytic function by Milne-Thomson method. First problem. Construct the analytic function whose real part is u is equal to log of square root of x square plus y square. So here in the question they are given the real part of the analytic function. We have to find out the analytic function. Okay, I will tell you the step-by-step procedure for this problem. Step 1, consider the given function u is equal to log of root of x square plus y square. Before going to the step 2, I will simplify this to make it simple for the further steps. So log of x square plus y square, that square root I will be write it as power 1 by 2. Take 1 by 2 here by using the logarithmic property. Log m power n is n log m. 1 by 2 log of x square plus y square. So this is our u. Okay. To find the analytic function by using u means we have to first we have to find f dash of z. From f dash of z by integration we can find f of z. For f dash of z we required ux and vx. There we have to use CR equations also. Okay, right. So what I will do, I will differentiate u partially with respect to x. Differentiate partially, I will call this is equation number 1. Differentiate equation 1 partially with respect to x, keeping in mind y constant. So next, differentiation of u with respect to x partially is dou u by dou x is equal to 1 by 2 constant. Differentiation of log of x square plus y square is 1 by x square plus y square into dou by dou x of x square plus y square. Now this is dou u by dou x is equal to 1 by 2 into 1 by x square plus y square into dou by dou x of x square is 2x plus with respect to x y constant, differentiation of y square is 0. Therefore, dou u by dou x is equal to 2x divided by 2 into x square plus y square. Here 2 and 2 cancel. Therefore, we got dou u by dou x is equal to x divided by x square plus y square. Call it as equation number 2. So I want dou u by dou y also. So differentiate equation 1 partially with respect to y, keeping in mind x constant. Therefore, differentiation of u partially with respect to y is dou u by dou y is equal to anyhow 1 by 2 constant. Differentiation of log of x square plus y square is 1 by x square plus y square because it contains y also into dou by dou y of x square plus y square, inner function differentiation. So next, dou u by dou y is equal to 1 by 2 into 1 by x square plus y square into differentiation of x square with respect to y is 0 because x is constant, plus differentiation of y square with respect to y is 2y. Therefore, dou u by dou y is equal to 1 by 2 into 1 by x square plus y square into 2y. Here 2 and 2 cancel. Therefore, dou u by dou y is equal to y divided by x square plus y square. So next step is we have to construct the analytic function. For that I will consider f dash of z. F dash of z in the Cartesian form is dou u by dou x plus I into dou v by dou x. I will call this as equation number 3 and this as equation number 4. See? So to substitute in equation 4, dou u by dou x as we have dou u by dou x, but we don't have dou v by dou x. So since we are constructing the analytic function, that should satisfy the CR equation. By make use of CR equation, I can find dou v by dou x. What is our CR equation? Dou u by dou x is equal to dou v by dou y and dou v by dou x equal to minus dou u by dou y. By CR equations, dou v by dou x is equal to minus dou u by dou y. Okay, so I will substitute here. F dash of z is equal to dou u by dou x minus I into dou u by dou y. Now substitute for dou u by dou x and dou u by dou y. What is dou u by dou x? Here we have dou u by dou x. X by x square plus y square plus minus I into dou u by dou y. Dou u by dou y is y divided by x square plus y square. So what Milne-Thomson method says that after this step, so we have to put x equal to z and y equal to 0 in this step. Therefore, f dash of z become, we have to put x equal to z, z by z square plus y is 0 minus I into y is 0 by z square plus 0. Second term is completely 0. Therefore, we got f dash of z as z by z square. I will go to the next page now. We got f dash of z is equal to z by z square. One z and one z get cancelled. Therefore, f dash of z is 1 by z. So since we are constructing the analytic function f of z, here we have f dash of z. To get f of z from f dash of z, we have to integrate with respect to z. So integration of f dash of z is f of z is equal to integration of 1 by z is log z plus the integrating constant c. So this is what we have as a solution for the given problem. I hope all of you understood this one. I will move to the next problem. Second problem of construction of analytic function. Take down the second one. Find the analytic function. Find the analytic function whose analytic function f of z, whose imaginary part is e power x into x sin y plus y cos y. Go for the solution. What they are given? They are given imaginary part, that is v is given. V is given as e power x. I will multiply by e power x into x sin y plus e power x into y cos y. This is a given, right? So next what I will do, if given v, we have to find out dou v by dou x and dou v by dou y. Okay, call this is equation number 1. Differentiate equation 1 partially with respect to x, keeping in mind y constant. So equation 1 become differentiation of v partially with respect to x is dou v by dou x is equal to, with respect to x we are differentiating sin y constant. So but here we have two functions of x, we have to use product rule. First function differentiation of second plus second into differentiation of first, plus in the second term y cos y is constant, differentiation of e power x is e power x only. So this is our dou v by dou x. I will take e power x common, take e power x common, here e power x we have. So what we left with, 1 plus x, if you multiply sin y plus x sin y plus y cos y. So this is our dou v by dou x. I will call this as equation number 2. Next, differentiate equation 1 partially with respect to y, keeping x constant. So we obtain differentiation of v partially with respect to y is dou v by dou y is equal to, since x is constant, e power x into x is constant, differentiation of sin y is cos y plus e power x constant. Here we have two terms of y, so we have to use product rule. First function into differentiation of second plus y, okay, plus second function into differentiation of y with respect to y is 1 into 1. Therefore, so here we have e power x, here we have e power x, we can take e power x common, x cos y minus y sin y plus cos y. This is our dou v by dou x, sorry, dou v by dou y. So next, actually what I want to find first, I want to find out f dash of z, right? I want to find out f dash of z first. What is the formula to find f dash of z? F dash of z is equal to dou u by dou x plus I into dou v by dou x. So I will call this as equation number 1. So dou u by dou x I cannot substitute because they are not given u. Vx I can substitute, dou v by dou x we can substitute. So what we have to do for dou u by dou x, since we are constructing the analytic function, that means the function is satisfied CR equation, right? So from CR equations, dou u by dou x, ux is equal to vy, that is dou v by dou y. Therefore, substitute this in equation 4. Equation 4 become f dash of z is equal to dou u by dou x, now changed as dou v by dou y plus I into dou v by dou x. Now substitute here. So which is equal to, what is dou v by dou y? E power x into x cos y minus y sin y plus cos y plus I into dou v by dou x as e power x into sin y plus x sin y plus y cos y. So Milne-Thomson method says that in f dash of z we have to put x equal to z and y equal to 0. Therefore, it becomes f dash of z is equal to e power z into z cos 0 minus 0 sin z sin 0 plus cos 0 plus I into e power z sin 0 plus z sin 0 plus 0 cos 0. See, second term is completely 0 because sin 0 is 0, here also 0, it is also 0. So only first term we have to simplify. Sin 0 is 0, cos 0 is 1. Therefore, f dash of z is equal to e power z into z cos 0 is 1. Z into 1 is z plus 1. This is what we got, f dash of z. From f dash of z we can easily find f of z by integrating. So consider f dash of z. F dash of z is equal to e power z into z plus 1. So integrate with respect to z. So integration of f dash of z dz is equal to integration of e power z into z plus 1 dz plus integrating constant c. So here differentiation integration cancel, we left with f of z. So since we have two terms, product of two terms for the integration, we have to find the integration by using UV rule. So selection of UV is important. So by using highlight rule, we have to choose u and v. Here exponential is always second function v and algebraic is u. So now we have the integration of uv as u integration of v minus u dash double integration of v plus u double dash triple integration of v, etc. Bernoulli is generalized integration by parts. This formula I am using here. I will write u as it is, that is z plus 1. Integration of e power z. Integration of e power z is e power z only, minus u dash differentiation of z plus 1 with respect to z only, that is 1 plus 0. Double differentiation, you go on integrating this one. Double integration of e power z is e power z only, plus differentiation of this becomes 0. So we have to stop here itself. Therefore, f of z is equal to integrating constant c is there. F of z is equal to e power z into z plus 1 minus e power z. 1 plus 0 is 1. 1 into e power z is e power z. Now take e power z common. Z plus 1 minus 1. Minus 1 plus 1 cancel. Therefore, f of z is equal to z e power z. This is a required analytic function for the given imaginary term plus integrating constant c. Plus integrating constant c.